All right, so let's here we have a couple of quizzes that we are displaying. We have 6 quizzes, and so let's do some query for these quizzes. Let's see. Let's retrieve quiz number 4 here, and as follows. We can say db.find quizzes.find, and then we just will retrieve that one quiz. Right. So the way we do that. Right, we can provide a where clause, and we say that we want the one whose title, right, is equal to quiz 5 or 4, right? And that should return that one document. There it is. We can print it to make it easy to read. Okay. Now the we might decide that we don't want all the elements in this document, right? This document could be a fairly complex document. It could have arrays, it could have, quite a bit of different properties and fields and whatnot. So it could be a pretty heavy object. So you can specify in your find operations which fields you want, right? We've learned, in a database course, you might call this a projection, right? Where you specify which fields you want to retrieve from the database. So to do a projection, right, you can provide a second argument to the find method and specify which fields you want. For instance, you might say that you only really want the title. So you can say title, right, and then colon 1. 1 meaning true. I want that one. So if we do that, notice that indeed we only get the title. Well, not quite. Notice that we are also getting the ID, right? So if you want to specify that you don't want a field, right, you can say that that you don't want a specific field. So you can specify and say, for instance, I don't want the ID, and you can put a 0, right, that I don't want the ID. So notice that now it only comes back with the title, right? So again, the underscore ID comes through, by default, even if you don't specify that that's the field that you want, and it's the only field that you have to explicitly say that you don't want, right? All the other ones you have to turn on and off individually.